we have studied earlier that if two chords of a circle intersect internally or externally, then the products of the lengths of the segments are equal. Now we have already seen the proof when two chords are intersecting internally. But what if they are intersecting externally? Can we prove this theorem in that case? Let's see. So when the intersection is external, then what will be the theorem? Well, if two chords of a circle intersect externally when produced, then the products of the lengths of segments are equal. That is, if the two chords are produced and they intersect externally, then products of the lengths of segments are equal. So what is given? In this case, we have a circle and we have two chords which have been produced and they meet at P. So AB and CD are the chords of the circle intersecting each other externally at the point P. So what we need to prove? Well, the theorem states that PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. So PA into PB will be equal to PC into PD. And this is what the theorem states. So first of all, we'll perform a construction. So we'll join AD and BC. So we join AD and BC. Now let's start the proof. So in triangles DAP and BCP, we have these two triangles, DAP, that is this triangle, and triangle BCP. So we're talking about BCP, this particular triangle. So in these two triangles, first of all, angle DPA is equal to angle BPC because it is a common angle in both the triangles. So DPA is equal to BPC. So this angle is common. Next, angle ADP is equal to angle CBP. So angle ADP will be equal to angle CBP. Why do I say so? Because they are angles in the same segment. So both of these angles lie in this particular segment. And so they are angles in the same segment and they will be equal. So angle ADP is equal to angle CBP. So we can say that triangle DAP is similar to triangle BCP by angle-angle similarity. So two pairs of angles are equal in both the triangles. And if they are similar, then we can say that PA by PC, corresponding sides of similar triangles, is equal to PD by PB, PD by PB. Again, corresponding sides of similar triangles. So PA by PC is equal to PD by PB. Now by cross multiplication, we get PA into PB equal to PC into PD. So this is what we needed to prove. That is PA into PB, that is product of the segments of the chord when produced, is equal to PC into PD. Again, product of segments of the chord CD when produced. So we get PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. So we were able to prove this particular theorem. So if we have a circle and we have two chords AB and CD which have been produced and they meet at P. Now, however you place these two chords, you will always get the product of the segments same. That is, in this case, what do you see? PA into PB is 19.7 into 32.6, which is 644. While in this case, it is PC into PD. So 21.7 into 29.7. Their product is also 644. So the products are same. Now even if I change the position, then we find that the product still remains the same. So here the values changed. Now it is 18.1 into 35.6. We still get 644. And 21.7 into 29.7 is also 644. So wherever you place, it will always stand true. So now using the same theorem, let's find out the length of RS. So given is PQ is 5 centimeter. So this length is 5 centimeter. And OQ is 4 centimeter. So this length is 4 centimeter. And OS is 9 centimeter. So we have this length here, 9 centimeter. Now, using the same theorem, we can say that OQ into OP is equal to OR into OS. OQ into OP. So PQ is the chord which have been produced and meets at O. So this segment into this segment will be equal to OR into OS. That is this segment into this segment. Now, if we substitute the values, so OQ is 4 centimeter into OP. OP is nothing but PQ plus OQ. Now PQ is 5 centimeter, it's given, and OQ is 4 centimeter. Even that is given to us. Now this will be equal to OR into 9 centimeter. OS given is 9 centimeter. So what do we get? We get the values as 36 centimeter is equal to OR into 9 centimeter, or OR is equal to 36 by 9, which is 4 centimeter. So length of OR is 4 centimeter. Now we need to find RS. Now RS is equal to OS minus OR. So OS is the entire length. We'll have to subtract OR from that to get RS. So RS is equal to OS minus OR. Now we have the values. OS is 9 centimeter and OR is 4 centimeter. 9 minus 4 is 5 centimeter. So RS is equal to 5 centimeter. Now we were able to find the length of RS using the theorem which states that if two chords meet or intersect externally, then the products of their segments is always equal. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.